Hello students, I am your online English teacher, intermediate level, Pape's method, okay? And we're going to learn some common errors that we make with the use of pronouns, okay? So here we have common errors with pronouns. This is a typical sentence structure, no? The subject, the verb, and the object, okay? These words that we see here are called subject phrases. So they go at the beginning of the sentence. And for example, I have four cases here. Each of, none of, one of, and some of. When I use these subject phrases in a sentence, the noun that follows these phrases must be in plural. Okay? For example, none of my students here is the noun and it's in plural, failed the exam. Okay? Another case, one of my servants here is in plural, is sick today. Okay? So that is one important rule. We're gonna see two of them today. One important rule is that nouns that follow these subject phrases, they have to be in plural form. Okay? Now, there is a subject-verb agreement in number. For example, if I have a singular subject, I should use the verb in singular. If I have a plural subject, I should use the verb in plural here. So in this case, each as a subject of a sentence, none and one as subject of the sentence, these are singular expressions. And the verb that follows must be in singular form. So they can agree, subject and verb can agree. Now, some of, and this word here, some, the word here, some, is a plural form. That means that the verb that follows this subject phrase must be in plural. These are the examples. You have some examples here. Okay? For example, some of my students were in class. I'm using the plural form of the verb to be in past tense, of course. And I'm using the verb to be in plural because some is a plural form also of the subject of the sentence, okay? But in this case, if I say one of my students was in class, I have to use the singular form of the verb to be because one is the subject of the sentence and is a singular form. I hope that you understand this common errors that we make with pronouns, and I hope precisely that you won't make these mistakes. Okay? I'm going to review one more time. These expressions, subject phrases here that go in the subject of the sentence, each of, none of, one of, and some of, the nouns that follow them, they have to be in plural form. Students, servants. And in the subject-verb agreement, the number has to do with the verb. See, so in this case, each, none, and one as subject of the sentence is singular. The verb has to be in singular form. And some is a plural form of the subject of the sentence. So the verb has to be in the plural form of the sentence, okay? So I hope that you understand this. This is very common that we make these mistakes when we're using these subject phrases. And I hope you enjoyed it and have a good day. I will see you next time.